Hello everyone, we are going to make diva ya diya. For that we need two A4 size color papers. You can take different color or same color, but same color will look more beautiful. Any color you can take. Then scissors, pencil and Fevicol. Now very first we will take one A4 size paper and we are going to make square out of it, but we will not press it too much. So we will see the edge. We will pinch here and here, and then this paper we will fold. This side do not press so much, like this we will get. After this line we will cut. This strip also we can use afterward. We will keep this one side. Okay, now we got square paper. Very first, this paper in a half we are going to fold, but while folding only little bit you have to press it, don't press so much. Now here open side, you are having open side, that open side we will fold it like this. Here also till half. Where is the half? Here only we will press it little bit like this. Open it, you will get the mark. Then from open side only one layer we will fold it like this, and again here we will press. Now you can see here first slanting line which we fold it and press it here, this one, and second one like this till half. Here we can match it. One point you can see, this is matching. Here you have to make a mark, this point. Now we got this point, this side, my right hand side. Now left hand side one, this closed side corner, not the open side one. Closed side corner we will touch to this point and like this, and this we will press it. See, here is open side, here is closed side. The point I am touching here. Now this same line, this we will lift it up and we will fold it here like this and press it. Now here again here after folding this closed side we are having, this side closed side. First we fold this side corner, now same another side corner, closed side one only, parallel to this line like this we will fold and press. Now here you can see this joint like this, hold it like this, and this same we will fold it back on this same line. We will fold it back side like this. We got here, you can see the line one here, second one, and the core. This first line we will cut. This one, and open the paper, you will get like this. Now we will get pentagon shape like this. Now you can see here we are having cones, and here already 1 2 and center line is there. Now this angle, you can see here the lines, center line also. Now this angle we are going to fold it up, but till where? Here the line is there, you can see the point till here, second one like this till here, and this angle should be on this line like this, and you have to press it. Same here also like this, it should not overlap this. All sides we are going to do same. Whenever you are folding, please, before pressing, please check it. This line and this line should be in one line. Here also the corner you have to check it properly. See. Now all sides we fold. You can see the star shape here. Now here in between this two. Now this angle you are having, this one also we are going to lift it up, but this and this in center we are going to make it, mean all three should be in one line, all three should be in one line like this, and press all sides. Again here also same thing will happen. This two you can see match, we match it. See, if you are doing properly, see the steps properly and step wise slow you can make, so you will understand. Now here this one, yes, you can see like this. And now we will turn the paper. Now here you can see like this V shape, this point and this point like this, we will lift it up. So this and this, we will press it and unfold. Now turn it. Now here all sides we are going to do like this, press it. See all the points properly. We are having 5 sides, 1 2 3 done. Now this one is 4th one, and the last one 5th one. All we fold. Now if we will see close, here you can see the star shape, and here in between also lines are there. These lines inside we will fold and press. Already lines are there, we will press it first, and then we will hold this, and here also star shape is there, that also if you press nicely then it's okay, automatically it will come. And this cones, star shape cones, we will hold it. See, if we will hold together, it comes like this. And then open it and give the star shape. like this. Okay, now you are having another A4 size paper. Here, very first we will fold the paper in a half and press it. Now we will cut it on line. And here again from this paper we will make one square. So corner we will, this paper point we lift it up, press, but now also don't press so much, and cut it. Now what procedure we did with this, same procedure we are going to follow. For that again fold the paper in a half. Now from the cloth side, see cloth side is down, here is the open side. Again we will fold it up like this, cloth side till here, till half. I am going to press it, unfold one side of the paper, press it. Now where is the matching point? Here we will make the mark. From cloth side again, this point we will match, this corner we will match it here, press it. Now same this cloth side, here the cloth side we have to fold it up. Here again the cloth side paper, this one we will lift it up. Same side, here we will press, here also it is matching. The extra one we will cut. Open the paper, pentagon we got. Now here again we are having square side. This cone or this point we will lift it up, but till the line only, like this. All sides we will do same way. Here also this is matching. Here this is important, please press it nicely here, all sides. See. Now here 2 you can match, so automatically till this line the point is coming, and till this line, till half. All sides we will fold. It should not overlap, this should not overlap, and gap also we don't want. Like this. Now we will turn the paper. Now this and this point, so here V shape we will get. This and this point we will hold and fold the paper. See, one time done. You can go clockwise. So here second one, unfold, third one. You can count while doing. It should be 5, 4, and the last one is 5. See, all sides done. You can see the star shape and the center line here also. This you can press it first, so this will be easy for folding. And the cone, see, one here, star is there too. And this point you can match. This will be inside. See, same you will get. Now here this one we will turn it back side. So here again you can see the lines that you can pinch it. Here we will put glue, and this one in same line, huh? Where is the star? On same side we will stick this. Okay, you can see. Let it dry. So if it is drying, so you can press it nicely. It should not in between two, this cone. It should be in equal like this. Okay, let it dry. Till that time, the piece of paper already you are having here, we will make a roll out of it. So we will take pencil and we will roll it. The last one. You can stick. Now let it dry, then you can take out the line. Here you can check it how much it is long. Extra one we will cut. Like this, it is okay. Okay. Now you can take any wastage paper like cutting paper like yellow and red, and you can draw the drawing here like this. Cut. Otherwise you can take white piece of paper, you can color it also for fire like this. And here yellow piece of paper, here also you can draw the smaller one. I fold the paper here like this. I will cut it here one side, can stick this, back side this one, and here you can put glue, and this one you can stick it. And if you will think it is not sticking, so as per the roll size you can give a little bit slit, so this will go inside, it will stick like this. Now here let it dry, let it cover it. Yeah, and back downside also we put glue, and here we will stick it. Our diya is ready. I hope you will like it. From here also, from downside also star is there, here also like this. Thank you.